Western Railways has initiated automated biodiesel online vending system installed at Diesel Loco Shed, Vatva, Ahmedabad. Diesel Shed Vatva has the biggest RCD over Western Railways with an average daily offtake of 60 kiloliters and a total storage capacity of 850 kiloliters. It caters to requirements of Diesel Shed Vatva as well as Vatva Yard through 9 fueling points. RCD Vatva started 5% biodiesel blending from 31st December 2015. Indian Railways first and one of its kind automated biodiesel online vending system installed and commissioned on 10th February 2016. Let's see the working of automated biodiesel online vending system. HSD oil is decanted and stored in nominated tanks numbered 1 to 9. Biodiesel is stored in nominated tanks number 10 and 11. Let's see how individual devices of the blending system really looks. HSD pump, fuel sensor with indicator, control unit, variable frequency drive, biodiesel pump with motor, solenoid valve, positive discharge meter, pressure relief valve. Let's understand automated biodiesel online vending system by a schematic diagram. During system operation, when the valves are in open condition, the HSD oil is pumped into the system using HSD pump. A flow sensor senses the flow rate and feeds it to the indicator as well as to the system control unit on a real-time basis. This control unit, on the basis of HSD flow rate, activates 3 devices, namely biodiesel pump through variable frequency drive, positive discharge meter and the solenoid valve. While biodiesel pump through variable frequency drive controls the biodiesel flow rate, the positive discharge meter ensures the accurate amount of biodiesel to be blended with HSD oil. This correct quantity of biodiesel is then injected into the HSD oil through a non-return valve. One important feature of the system is that it can be programmed for blending biodiesel within any range from 0 to 20% of the HSD oil. Another feature is that during maintenance of blending system or for any other reason, blending system may be isolated from the main HSD system using a valve without affecting the normal functioning of the RCD. Finally, 5% blended biodiesel injected in HSD pipeline goes for fueling in locomotives at the fueling point. Every journey starts with a single step. This is how we at Vatva Shed are playing our part in environmental conservation. We hope that you will play yours. Thank you.